Look at this. GoWISE USA Electric Pressure Oven. Did you ever think you'd see the day in my kitchen? Well, I got one. They're new. They're brand new. I'm gonna open it right here, right in front of you. It's the first unboxing in my kitchen today. Careful. Oh, I saw it. Electric pressure oven. 4 presets and 15 DIY cooking presets. Huh. Faster cooking than standard countertop ovens with added pressure capabilities to lock in flavor. Ooh, got the pressure release and everything. Bake, toast, roast, broil, plus 15 do-it-yourself presets. Oh, Oscar has a rotisserie. Oscar, for chicken and other roasts, a rotisserie. Oh, I gotta open this up. Hit me, hit me. It's heavy too. Here we go. Look at that, beautiful. Look at it. Oh. Wow. GoWISE USA. This is going to fit on my countertop too. It's nice. It's packed very well. See where the front and back is. Okay, I'm going to put this down one more time. Be careful with it. And take it out of the box. That's the front. Hey, it's lighter now. Oh, it's beautiful. Look. Instructions, 20 recipes. Oh. Presets and functions. Look. Man, oh, there's the pressure vent seal, just like a pressure cooker. This is going to be great. Wow. It's a little steamed up from the delivery. It's getting cold outside, you know. See, I'm going to have to read it. All right, look. There's a lock too. There's a locking handle, see? Oh, the rotisserie in there. It's in there. Tray to catch the grease drippings. Oh, I'm gonna get myself a chicken. I'm gonna go get a chicken right now. Hang on. Let's see what's in this box. Isn't that nice? Lock. Pressure. I heard that seal. You hear that seal? Listen. Hear that little whistle seal? Oh, isn't this gonna be great? Toasts, roast, bakes, rotisserie, broils. Oh, what's in here? Isn't it nice? I'm shaking, I'm so excited. It must be a holiday. Woo! Oh, this is like a... All right. Oh, nice. Yeah. This might be a broiling pan or something. We know that's a rack. This, I'm gonna check the book real quick and tell you what that is. That's the best appliance I ever had in my kitchen, I think. Let's see what that part is now. Let's see. Quick start guide. That's good. Do I have some glasses around here? All kinds of settings here. Cake, beef, roasted vegetables, baked fish, rice, pork chops, stew, chicken, potatoes, shellfish, toast, frozen snacks, spare ribs, casserole, rotisserie chicken. Oh. Well, I found out what this is for. If you have something in there on the rotisserie spit, this is to take it out. See? Who wants chicken? Then if you don't want to use the rotisserie, you can use this rack. You have 1, 2, 3 spaces. See? 1, 2. And the top one. You can also use this. Slides in there as well. Isn't that nice? So you can cook a few different items in here at the same time. But I'm really interested in the rotisserie. I saw one of these somewhere on TV, a different brand of pressure oven, and it was a lot of plastic. It was real flimsy, you could tell, but this is solid. Look how solid that is. Nice. Non-stick. I can't wait. Let me just plug it in quick so we can see it light up. Whoa! Oh yeah, and there's a light inside when it's cooking, so I can watch my chicken spin around. See, there's a light bulb. Oh, nice. Okay. Well, I'm gonna read these instructions real good and check the recipes. I'm gonna go get myself a chicken, and my first meal I'm gonna make is a rotisserie chicken in the GoWISE USA Pressure Oven. I love it. It's great. I can't wait. It's gonna have pressure and it's gonna bake at the same time. All right, that goes off. See, that's so great. Okay, all kind of controls there. Buttons seem pretty easy to figure out. I know that's a rotisserie button. Let's see. Roast 45. Turn the rotisserie on. Press start. I see it. Yeah, it's turning in there. I don't have to spit in there, but I see it turning. I'm just trying it out, okay? Now let's open this. And it has a heating element on the bottom and the top. That's great. Hear that? Hear how tight that seals up? Yeah. And now that I look closer, this seems to turn on the top heating element, both heating elements, or the bottom heating element. Nice, huh? All right. I'm gonna read the instructions. All right, thanks for stopping by. Check the link down there for this. Get yourself one if you like. Stop back my next video. I'm gonna have good chicken, all right? All right, everybody. Talk to you soon. Thanks for stopping by. Man, that's nice.